Welcome to Asim Code. I see a coding genius in the making, and I'm here to help you get there. Hit subscribe, and let's level up your skills together, one line of code at a time. SQL injection prevention in Python using parameterized queries. SQL injection is a security vulnerability that allows an attacker to manipulate SQL queries by injecting malicious SQL code into user inputs. This can lead to unauthorized access, data exposure, or even destruction of the database. Best way to prevent SQL injection is to use parameterized queries, which treat user inputs as data rather than executable SQL commands. Importing SQLite library for database operations. Step 1. Establish a connection to the SQLite database using an in-memory database for this example, temporary and disappears after execution. Step 2. Create a cursor object to execute SQL queries. Step 3. Create a users table. This table has 3 columns: ID, unique identifier, auto-increment primary key, username, unique username, text data type, password. User's password should be stored as a hash in real applications. Step 4. Insert some sample user data into the database using parameterized queries to insert values safely. Save the changes in the database. Step 5. Define a secure login function to prevent SQL injection. Secure login function that prevents SQL injection using parameterized queries. Parameters: username, str the username input from the user. password str the password input from the user. Returns none, prints login success or failure. Step 6. Use parameterized queries, placeholders, to avoid SQL injection. Execute queries safely by passing user inputs as a tuple. This ensures that the input is treated as a value and not as executable SQL code. Step 8. Fetch the user record if credentials match. Returns the first matching user or none if not found. Step 9. Check if the user exists. User is authenticated successfully. User authentication failed. Step 10. Test case attempt SQL injection attack should fail. This is a simulated attack where the attacker tries to bypass authentication by injecting malicious SQL code. Calling the secure login function with a malicious input. Should print invalid credentials. Step 11. Test case correct login should succeed. Should print secure login successful. Now run our code. Thanks for watching today's video. Like and subscribe to see more.